Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check communities on the Rush Royale application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. Now click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the community option under the settings button. And here you can find different communities on the Facebook, Discord, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. And if you want to see one, just click to the subscribe button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.